here we go with a revised review for the NutriSystem. What was it called again? Sweet barbecue sauce with pulled style pork. But this time I remembered the roll. Of course, it still tastes like, generic NutriSystem meat. But, other than that, the roll helps. Because I don't have to eat it with a fork, though. I can tell with how messy this is. I'm going to have to end up eating it with a fork either way. But yeah, the roll certainly helps this be a lot more enjoyable. Now that I'm giving it a number rating, I'm going to give it a 7.5. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. With a roll, it's enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.